My name is Skylar.
No, now.
Hi guys, my name is Skylar. Today we're gonna do math with apples.
Can you count your apples, Skylar?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How many apples do you have?
5.
5 apples altogether? What color are your apples?
Green.
Green. Do you know what color apples are? Can you tell me some other colors of some apples?
And they're pink, red, and yellow.
Where do apples come from?
Trees and farms.
Trees and farms. So if I want to get an apple, where can I go get an apple from?
You could go to your garden and find a tree with apples, or you could go to the farm and find some.
And where else can you get apples?
From the store.
From the store. How do you think those apples get to the store?
They go to the farm.
Who goes to the farm?
The people who works at the store.
So they go to the farm and they pick apples and put them in a what?
An apple pack.
An apple pack and bring them to the store for us to buy? All right, so let's look at your apples. Can you tell me about your apples?
Yeah.
Like you told me they were green. Tell me something else about your apples.
Some apples, sometimes they have tags and sometimes they don't have tags.
What else about your apples?
You can dip them in applesauce.
Now look at your apple and tell me something about the apples. Look at your apple. Tell me what's on your apples. Tell me the parts of your apple right there.
There's stems.
You got skin on your apples. It's called the peeling. And then what's on the top of the apple? Stems. All right, and that's what holds them onto the tree.
This one doesn't.
That one don't have one. I wonder what happened to it.
It probably got smaller.
What kind of things can we make out of apples?
Like applesauce, apple juice, and apple bananas.
Apple bananas?
Yeah.
What else can we make?
Apple juice.
You said apple juice. You said applesauce. What else can we make?
Apple pie.
Apple pie. Yummy. And then we could have these apples just for a healthy snack, right? Are these apples a fruit or a vegetable?
Vegetable. Fruit.
Are you tricking me?
Yeah.
Are they a fruit or a vegetable?
Fruit.
They are a fruit. Very good. All right, so let's do some math activities. So let me see. Put 2 apples in front of you. And then there's 2 apples over here to the side. Who has more? That pile has more. Very good. So if you want, how many's in that pile?
3.
3. If you want 3 apples, what do you need to do?
Take one away.
Take one away from there and give you one. So now how many do you have?
3.
So what is 3 apples plus 2 apples?
5.
5 apples. All right. So somebody's going to come and eat an apple. Roll me an apple. I'm eating it. So we took one away. So what's 3 apples? Remember we said, how many do we have now?
4.
Yeah, 4 apples. So 5 apples minus 1 apple is 4 apples. Can I have the other apple? Yummy. How many do you have left now?
3.
Who has more, me or you?
Me.
Who has less?
You.
All right, so if you have 3 apples and I give you 2 apples, how many apples do you have now?
5.
5 apples altogether? Can you count your apples for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
If you want to share your apples with a friend, how many can you give them? You want it to be equal. Can you make that equal? Can each of you have the same amount of apples?
Yeah.
How? Show me.
You take 2 away to your friend and 2 to yourself, and you have 1 left for one of your friends.
Oh, so what can we do with that apple? So if you got 2 and your friends got 2, and then we got 1 apple left, how can we make it equal? What can we do with that apple? Because if you take it, it'll be 3. And if your friend takes it, they'll have 3. So what are we going to do with this apple?
You could like make it. You could like go to the farm and buy like.
What can we do with this apple?
5 more, and we could get this.
Oh, we could. We could get 1 more, and each of you could have 3, but we don't have another one. We just have that 1 apple. So what can you do to that 1 apple to share it?
Split it in half.
Split it in half. Very good. And that would give you 2.5 apples plus 2.5 apples gives you how many apples?
5.
5 apples still? Oh my goodness.
And there's a lot of food you can do with math and science.
There is. I'll say bye. I'll see you later.
Bye.